I went to go extend the ramps on the trailer, and to my surprise, I left the keys to the ramps at my house, which is 2+ hours away. My name is Zach Ellis, and welcome to my journey. I don't know where I'm going or how I'm going to get there, but I'm going to be tearing shit up every step of the way, along with a few friends, of course. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be building, modifying, repairing, fabricating, and racing every chance I get. Terrifying. But if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and of course, enjoy the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be messing with my new car trailer. If you didn't see my last video, go back, check it out. It kind of shows the car trailer I bought, how much it costs, all the specs, all that good stuff. Today, however, we're going to be loading up our first load and taking it to the scrap yard. So I have a 96 Ford Taurus. I've had it for about 7 years, and my brother blew it up the other day. So we're going to go pick it up, throw it in the trailer, straight to the scrap yard. It should be interesting because it is raining its butt off right now. I think we're projected to get 2.5 inches of rain today. Started raining at 4 a.m. I hit the road at 6 a.m. And it's now 8 o'clock. So we're gonna push down the road, head down to Maryland where I have the car at, get the trailer, get the car, and hopefully get this thing loaded smoothly. I think I'm gonna stop by Walmart and pick up a pair of rain pants because it's really raining out here. Umbrella's only 20 bucks. What a steal. It is super muddy out here. It feels like there's a hurricane coming, honestly. The sky is gray. But whatever, we're gonna go ahead and get my truck in position. I think there's a car in front of the car I need to load up. There's no battery in the car. The steering wheel column's busted apparently, according to my brother. There's a truck in front of the car I need to get. Don't know if it actually starts or runs. And then I need to get the tractor started so I can push the Taurus onto the trip. This is gonna be interesting. There's a heavy load upon my back. No way to throw it off. For a second I believe it's gone. I'm just a fool out of luck. Hopefully this thing starts. I just got so lucky. I did not think this thing was gonna start. Don't let me carry it alone. All right, little update for you. I went to go extend the ramps on the trailer, and to my surprise, I left the keys to the ramps at my house, which is 2+ hours away.
There are times when everything feels great.
All right, we got the trailer hooked back up. Locks cut, trailer realigned with the car. I think we're set to get the loader started and get the car pushed up. I'm so soaking wet. My seat in my truck is completely soaked. This is turning into a terrible, terrible experience.
Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my time. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my kind. There is nothing we can do to stop this plague from breaking through.
It is extremely wet. I'm officially wet all the way down to my pants are soaked, underwear soaked, feet dry, torso kind of dry though I'm sweating, so kind of wet. I'll pick the camera back up after I get this thing completely strapped down. All right, we made a few miles up the road. I just wanted to hop up under this overpass just so I could check all my straps. It looks like everything is good. Everything's still tight. So we should be good to hit the highway and don't look back. What a monsoon. I went ahead and took my rain jacket off and tried to get dry since I had some coverage, but whatever. All right, we're gonna hit the road and yeah, hopefully this goes smooth the rest of the way. Unfortunately, I did not get a video of me getting it pushed off, only because there was a line of people. So I just pulled up, I unhooked the car, the guy with the loader come over, and I said, do you want to scoop it off or do you want me to push it off? And he said, push it off because I don't want to hit your trailer. So I unhooked it and just gave her the old push. And yeah. So we're getting weighed right now, then we'll go in and see how much she weighed. All right guys, so we got the car dropped off at the scrapyard. I really feel bad that I didn't film me pushing it off the trailer. It was just, there was a line of cars in front of me or behind me, and I didn't want to hold anybody up. So I just went in there, got it unstrapped and pushed it off. The car weighed 3,300 pounds, so 3,300 pounds. And because I had the title to the car, they paid $9.50 per 100 pounds, as I think what they said. Which, either way, it ended up being $314 is what I made. So, you think I probably used $40 in fuel today, maybe 50 bucks. So, in the end, I'm profiting or 260 bucks, which I'm happy with that. But I gotta say, the trailer pulled phenomenally. Like, you couldn't even tell it was back there. And like with any trailer, it pulls better loaded than it did empty. The truck, obviously being a fucking 2500 diesel, it drove like there was no trailer back there at all. I think my weight balance on the trailer was pretty much spot on considering the conditions on which I loaded it. First time using the straps that I had, which they were pro tie down straps. I'll put a link in the description to the website where I purchased these straps. They sent it out to me. It took like, I don't know, maybe a week, 2 weeks on the max for them to get to me. I was in communication with the manager, owner, salesman, whatever he was of the strap company. Super friendly guy. He went above and beyond to accommodate my needs, which I was a little needy. I was looking for a very specific setup, and he was able to help me out. So shout out to him. The straps were killer. The car did not move at all. The straps didn't stretch. They didn't need to be retightened once I cinched them down. So overall, great experience. Now I'm a little more comfortable going into loading my car, you know, and driving across the country and driving to racetracks, things like that, which is a big deal. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you were entertained by my fucking misery of being in the rain. I hate being wet. I'm soaking wet right now. My seat of my truck is soaking wet. I'm pretty miserable. I'm hungry and I'm complaining. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any tips, tricks, suggestions for me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
There's a heavy load upon my